Smart munitions are revolutionizing modern aerial combat, offering precision, adaptability, and efficiency in ways traditional weapons never could. At their core, smart munitions are equipped with advanced guidance systems, allowing them to accurately strike targets with minimal collateral damage. Unlike conventional bombs or missiles, smart munitions use technologies like GPS, laser guidance, and inertial navigation to pinpoint and engage targets, even in challenging conditions. One of the most well-known examples of smart munitions is the JDAM, or Joint Direct Attack Munition. By retrofitting traditional bombs with guidance kits, the JDAM transforms them into precision-guided weapons. This innovation significantly reduces costs while enhancing accuracy. Pilots can release these munitions from a safe distance, knowing they'll hit their targets with remarkable precision, even when facing poor weather or heavily defended areas. Another advancement is in AI-driven munitions. These weapons are equipped with artificial intelligence to identify and track moving targets. For instance, the small-diameter Bomb 2, or StormBreaker, can engage moving vehicles and boats autonomously. Its ability to operate in all weather conditions and detect targets through obstacles like smoke or fog makes it a game-changer in complex battle scenarios. Missiles are also becoming smarter. The AIM-260 JDAM, developed as a replacement for the AMRAAM, is designed to counter advanced threats with longer ranges and enhanced targeting. This missile incorporates cutting-edge sensors and data links, enabling it to engage multiple targets simultaneously, even in contested environments. The development of loitering munitions, often referred to as kamikaze drones, further highlights the shift towards smarter warfare. These weapons can patrol an area, identify high-value targets, and strike autonomously. They're particularly effective in asymmetrical conflicts, where traditional airstrikes may not be viable. Smart munitions aren't just about precision but also adaptability. For instance, multi-mode seekers allow missiles to switch between guidance systems mid-flight. If GPS signals are jammed, these munitions can rely on infrared or radar to maintain accuracy, ensuring the mission's success despite enemy countermeasures. The benefits of smart munitions extend beyond combat efficiency. By reducing collateral damage, they minimize unintended casualties and infrastructure destruction, which is crucial in politically sensitive operations. They also allow forces to use fewer weapons to achieve the same objectives, saving resources and reducing the logistical burden. However, the rise of smart munitions brings challenges. Their reliance on advanced technology makes them vulnerable to cyber attacks and electronic warfare. Adversaries are investing in jamming and spoofing systems to counter these weapons. This has sparked a race between offensive capabilities and defensive measures, with both sides striving to outsmart the other. The ethical implications of smart munitions are also a topic of debate. As these weapons gain more autonomy, questions arise about accountability and the potential for unintended consequences. Can an AI-powered munition make decisions as reliably as a human operator? What happens if it misidentifies a target? These concerns underscore the need for rigorous testing and oversight. Despite these challenges, the demand for smart munitions is growing. As nations seek to modernize their militaries, investments in precision-guided weapons are becoming a priority. The global market for smart munitions is expected to grow exponentially, driven by advancements in technology and the increasing complexity of modern conflicts. In conclusion, smart munitions represent a significant leap forward in military technology. Their precision, adaptability, and efficiency are reshaping the landscape of aerial combat, offering advantages that were once unimaginable. However, with great power comes great responsibility. As these weapons become more sophisticated, ensuring their ethical and secure use will be paramount. Smart munitions are not just tools of war but symbols of how technology can redefine the rules of engagement, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in modern warfare. Smart munitions are revolutionizing.